Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix no sound or speaker problems on your BlackShark Pad 7 Pro. So first, what we're going to do is we're going to check the volume levels. So you can check them by pressing the volume up here. Now we are increasing the media volume. You can click on three dots here, and here you can change everything just by sliding it. We're gonna click done and we're gonna do it from the settings. So open up the settings. Here we should go over to sound and vibration, and there are a lot of these sliders. So you can change the media, call volume, ring, notification, and alarm. Mostly we care about media and the call. Both of them are great. And once we change them up to the max, just like I do have them right here, everything will be okay. Now, what are we going to do is we're going to go to connected devices, and as you guys can see here, we want to make sure that no device is connected. So we can go to connection preference, go to Bluetooth, and disable the Bluetooth for the time of testing. If your Bluetooth is enabled, you should see the Bluetooth icon in the status bar. Once it's disabled, it should be gone. And now you can check the volume. So you can do that by just going into sound and vibration. As you guys can see, you can hear the volume that it's working, and that's how you guys can do it. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.